shall we? What is that? Sushi.
We left Miniso and it was really late, so our dad had to do it day and night. They tell my food. That's what this. So you can see I already opened it. So we got this. As you can see, I put my lip gloss in there. Oh, it's SANRIO. Well, let's use it for everything. We got this mystery pearl. Okay, now the okay, now it's everything. We got the chocolate. Okay, let's give it a squish. This is my little pal, and he was waiting to go to the Miniso store. There's this thing. Now my Melody has. So this is how it looks like. Like, give it good luck. Whoa, 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 whoa. And if you want to see more of my video, comment down below.